Imagine this, earning $3 for every single email submitted under your affiliate link. No selling, no complicated funnels, just simple signups and boom, your cash is credited into your account. In the last video, I talked about how I earned $3 per each email submitted under my Amazon affiliate link. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn $150 to $300 a day on Amazon just by self-clicking. That means that you don't need to promote your affiliate link anywhere. You don't need any traffic sources. Only a mobile phone or a computer and internet connection is needed to complete the earring process. Today I will give you a secret tool that will make you stay anonymous for 100% without being detected while you are doing self-clicking and make at least $150 per day. Without wasting time, let's get started. Now, you probably know Amazon is one of the most trusted platforms in the world. Millions of people sign up every day without hesitation. But what most beginners don't realize is that Amazon has a hidden offer, the Amazon Baby Registry program. For every free baby registry created under your affiliate link, you earn $3 instantly. Let's do the math. 10 signups equals $30, 50 signups $150, 100 signups $300. This is predictable, repeatable, and backed by Amazon, so you know it's legit. Now, here's where things get really interesting. Normally, affiliate platforms don't like when you use your own clicks or repeated signups. That's why many people's CPA accounts get banned. But I have tested and approved these methods. If you follow the whole steps from the beginning to the end of this video, you will never get banned. That is what we're going to cover. On step 1, we use AdsPower, an anti-detect browser. This makes every signup look like it's coming from a fresh user with a unique device fingerprint. Step 2, we connect AdsPower to NodeMaven proxies. NodeMaven gives us millions of rotating residential IPs, especially from the US, which means Amazon sees every signup as a unique, real person. Combine the two, and suddenly your signups become undetectable, so your account will never be banned. To start with, you need to have an Amazon account, so go to Google, then search for Amazon Associate, then create a free account, then logging. What you need to have is your store ID, since I will show you a simple way to get your Amazon Baby Registry affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, just copy the link attached in the PDF, then after equals sign add you baby registry, like mine is SciJP20, so I added after equals like this. Test it if it works, if it's okay. Now copy it, ready to use. But to mask the clicking source, you need to create a landing page. Use system.io to create an engaging landing page that will drive clicks even though you share it with real traffic. But I have created a landing page like this for you. You only need to copy and paste, then your landing page will be added automatically. To do so, click the system.io signup link in the attached PDF, then register for a free account, then log in. From there, go and copy the landing page link and paste in the same browser. The landing page will be added automatically and it will get open. If not open, click on Site, then Sales Funnel, then you will see it. To add your Amazon Baby Registry affiliate link, click on Funnel Name, then click on Register Now button. Then at the left side, find the Redirect URL section, remove my affiliate link and your Amazon Baby Registry affiliate link, then click on Save and Exist. Now, this path URL is your new affiliate link that we will use in self-clicking. To taste it, just copy it and search it in a new browser. Your landing page will be opened. Then you will fill your full name and email address. Then when click on Register, and you'll be directed to your Amazon affiliate link, while the added email will be saved to system.io. So it will help you to collect email if you share it, and in case of self-clicking, you will be able to monitor each email used in self-clicking to prevent from repetition. Before we proceed, can you please show some appreciation by liking and subscribing to my channel so I can keep giving you more valuable content that will change your financial status? Thank you for appreciation. Now let's move to the next step on how to set up your AdsPower ant-detectable browser to stay anonymous for 100%. First, click the link in the description below, then sign up for a free account, then log in. After login, download the AdsPower app according to your device. I choose AdsPower because it is the strongest ant-detectable browser ever. So now let's see how to set up your browser ready for self-clicking. Now we need to add a proxy first, so click the link in the description below to sign up for a NodeMaven free account. You can simply sign up using a Google account. NodeMaven provides a strong residential, static, and rotating proxy. I have used several proxies, but none of them worked as I wanted, like the proxy from NodeMaven Proxy. You will be safe for 100% when you use this proxy. To show you a proof, when I copy these proxies and go to Proxy Quality Checker, the proxy quality for all 30 proxies is more than 90%. So this is the best proxy ever. And the good thing, they provide free trial only for 3.99 euro per GB. This is actually a paid method, but you will earn more than what you invest, and all of your invested money will be recovered on the first day. So don't think twice about starting this method. Now, to get your proxy, go to Proxy Setup, then on Connection Type, choose Residential, on IP version, choose Mixed, on Proxy Generator, choose Output Format, on Location, choose United State, on Number, choose 20, then scroll down on Session, choose Sticky, and on Proxy Access, choose HTTP. And from there, you're done. Go and copy your proxy ready to use. Now back to AdsPower, then go to Proxy, then Add Proxy, then make sure you choose SOSKS5, then paste your proxy and click on Save. Your proxy will be added automatically. Now go to Add Profile section to bulk create your profile, then click on Quick Create, then put number of profile you need to create like 15, but in free version, you can create only 5 profile. Then choose browser and operating system you like. Scroll down on Proxy, choose Saved Proxy, and choose on Random, Other Setting, Left as it is, and lastly, click on OK. Your profile will be added ready for self-clicking. But in free version, there is some limitation where you will add maximum of 5 profile and you will need to add it manually. I have a good information for you. In this month's AdsPower is in a big promo. You will get up to 61% discount for new users and 30% to 58% discount for existing users. This is only available when you pay under my link. Also, there's a chance to win iPhone 16. This is the big offer under my link, and the AdsPower price is very cheap. It only starts at $9, so with these discounts, it's going to be so cheap ever. You will use less than $15 to try this method, but you will earn up to $150 on the first day. Now let's start the self-clicking process. Open the first profile. If you're a new user, you will see the browser is downloaded first. Then after a few seconds, the new profile will open. Go and copy your landing page link. Open new tab, then paste the link. Do as usual, fill in the full name and email address, then click on the Register button, where you will be directed to your Amazon Baby Registry affiliate link here. Click on Create Baby Registry to start self-clicking. Then fill your valid email and click on Proceed to create an account. Then fill your name and password. Re-enter the password and click on Verify Email. They will send verification code to your email, fill it, and lastly click on Verify. From there, you will be directed here where you need to fill family name, choose the date like 2 days later from present date, then click on Add Address and choose Autofill. Then on phone number, you can use temporary U.S. phone number or search for Contact U.S. in USA, where you will get list a website with their real phone number and Contact Us page. Copy and paste it. Then click on Add Address. From there, scroll down, then click on Add Registry. And finally, you are done. Your $3 will be credited to your Amazon Associate account. It usually takes 24 hours to credit into your account, and you see it on Amazon Bounty Commission and not sales. Make sure you follow the steps correctly and don't miss any step so as to earn. Use one profile to create one account, then delete all profiles and all proxy add new one, then start a new circle of self-clicking. I was supposed to sell this course since it is very worthy, but I'm giving it to you for free. All I need from you is to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more money-making tips like this. To get tons of valid email to use for self-clicking, this was covered in the training showing up on the screen. Just get the concept and apply it in AdsPower. That's how you can make 100 plus a day just from baby registry signups. Thanks for watching, and see you there.